When it comes to mapping services in Mehrauli, there are several options available that cater to the diverse needs of individuals and businesses in the area. Mapping services play a crucial role in providing accurate and up-to-date information about the geographical layout of a place, whether it is for navigation purposes or for urban planning and development. Mehrauli, being a historical neighborhood in Delhi, requires mapping services that not only capture its rich heritage but also provide valuable insights into its present-day infrastructure and amenities. One such company that specializes in mapping services in Mehrauli is Scon Design. Scon Design is a leading provider of mapping services in Delhi, with a specific focus on Mehrauli. One of the key benefits of availing mapping services in Mehrauli from Scon Design is their attention to detail. They go beyond just providing basic street maps and incorporate additional layers of information such as public transportation routes, parking facilities, and nearby amenities. This level of detail is particularly useful for businesses operating in Mehrauli, as it helps them identify potential areas for expansion or target specific customer segments. For residents, having access to detailed maps can make everyday tasks such as finding the nearest grocery store or park much more convenient. Scon Design also offers customized mapping solutions for specific purposes. Whether it is for urban planning, real estate development, or tourism promotion, their team works closely with clients to understand their requirements and create maps that meet their objectives. For instance, if a developer wants to showcase their upcoming project in Mehrauli, Scon Design can create a map that highlights the location, nearby amenities, and potential future developments in the area. This not only helps the developer market their project effectively but also provides valuable information for potential buyers or investors. In conclusion, mapping services in Mehrauli are essential for navigating the neighborhood's rich history and modern infrastructure. Scon Design is a reputable company that specializes in providing accurate and detailed maps of Mehrauli. Their attention to detail, customization options, and use of advanced technology make them a reliable choice for individuals and businesses seeking mapping services in Mehrauli. With their assistance, residents and visitors can easily explore the neighborhood and make the most of what it has to offer. When it comes to mapping services in Mehrauli, Scon Design is the leading company in Delhi. With their expertise in the field, they offer comprehensive mapping services that cater to the needs of various industries. Whether it's for urban planning, infrastructure development, or real estate projects, Scon Design has the knowledge and experience to provide accurate and detailed mapping services in Mehrauli.